Hello family, how are you all doing? It's a Monday morning. Yes, it's a Monday morning. It's the holiday season and we are in the train. Let me show you. We are in Zurich. We are to see someone special. She came to town. Just keep it posted, keep it locked down with me. I just thought to introduce this vlog. I'm going with my kids to meet her up. She came in from the UK, so you can start to guess who she is if you can guess. I know a lot of people in the UK. Thank you if you are a returning subscriber, and thank you if you'll be joining this family. As a matter of fact, join this family, help us to grow this family. Let me introduce you to the people I'm going with. Hey, please help. What's your name?
My name's Seth.
That's Seth, and
I
this,
am a fan of Copper.
and this is.
I am Sean, the father of TFG vlogs.
So I'm going with them, and just keep watching. Or keep you posted. You are welcome. Going out with the kids is a lot of work, I'm telling you. It's a lot of work. It's a beautiful day. How you guys enjoying your summer? Let me know in the comment section. Keep watching, fam. Keep watching. I have here. I told you I was going to meet somebody special. She came all the way from UK. Mom, please can you introduce yourself? I call her mom because she's old enough to be my mom, but she looks gorgeous. You can't even imagine her age. Okay.
Ify from Ifechi family.
Yes, so
that's my YouTube name is Ifechi family. I'm based in UK.
Yes.
My husband. You want to take us around? That's my husband. He's with us today.
Yes.
Interacting with the children. So
yes.
We are here, and this is our son. Our third son lives in Zurich here. So I plan to meet the Zurich.
Yes,
Esther's Chronicle and these are their lovely children with us.
Meet our
we are
children.
waiting for the tram to go on a boat cruise. That's what we are waiting for.
Guys, just keep watching. We are taking you along with us. There's no way a personality like her will come to town and will not show her one of Zurich best. And one of Zurich best is the boat cruise. So come along, please like this video as you are watching, and make sure you visit our channel. It's a place you want to be. Ifechi family. Just keep watching, we'll take you along with us. I have the grandma in the building, and we have our daddy Ifechi with us. He wouldn't love this, but we drag him into it. Guys, just keep watching.
Yes, keep watching. More coming your way.
Yes. So we are here already, guys. Can you see the view we've got out here? Can you see the busy city of Zurich? Guys, so these are the kids we are going with. Do you see fishes in the water?
Yeah. The goose is flying.
This is the goose. So we are about to go into the boat cruise. Welcome to a day in our life once again. It's so fun. It's a beautiful day to go in the sea. I can do this over and over again. So they are so excited to enter. They are excited. Yes. So guys,
Zurich is a lovely place.
Yeah. That's Angel Mamadu in the beauty. Set and Sean.
Even though my voice is cracked, we have to let it shine.
Say it. Say hello. Yeah, we are here. We rap it. We rap it. We rap it. Rap it. Rap it. We rap it. We rap it. Rap it. Rap it. Life in Zurich.
You have to join in the dance.
Yes, so.
Mommy, you did not.
my dad's not like that.
Daddy, we are like that. Content
Sorry,
creators. What are you saying, Sean?
It's on.
What?
Just press the red. Just press the red.
Wow, this is so beautiful. Yeah?
Oh, Esther. Nigerian girls.
We rap it, we rap it, we rap it, rap it, rap it. Life in Zurich, we rap it. Mommy, fetch you.
Positive vibe.
Yes, so this is positive at all.
At all.
Positive vibes. Guys, I hope you're loving what you're seeing. Make sure you like this video.
Yes.
Make sure you like it.
Yes.
And join the family. Ifechi family, Ijomamato.
Yes.
We love you. Keep watching.
Keep
We are
watching.
waiting for the cruise. The boat
Yes.
is coming soon.
That's
And
right.
then we'll see you inside there, okay? You
Okay,
love that with
bye.
us. Okay, guys. Original baby. Original baby. You see that everyone sees the Swiss living on the cruise. Attract something from you. Okay, Sean, it's your turn. There's money. Hello, everyone, your private cruise. So far, we're still here with Mommy Ifechi.
Yeah.
Live in Zurich. Will you
and
want to
direct.
visit Zurich? If you visit Zurich, let me be your tour. No
Exactly.
boring moment. Let me be your
Exactly.
tour.
We are inside the boat. Oh
Yeah.
my God. It's so beautiful. Oh, you just want to be here to understand fully what's going on.
Yeah. Look at the moment. Our Swiss flag. Wait, where are you? Okay, I thought you were here.
It's my pink hair.
Ijoma with the pink hair. What level of boldness?
Oh,
What a level of
I don't really
boldness.
get it when people talk about small being able to wear colors. Like, I can't even relate. In my house, nobody makes hair with black hair. My dad will buy attachments for us. He's the one that he buy. My mom uses color 37 and 33 and 27.
I'm going to go down here because
Praising the Lord.
We also Chileke girls.
Praising the Lord. You know.
Estas crónicos TV. Look for we get up. Estas crónicos TV. Look for we get up. We entertain and bring you laughter from the comfort of your home. Another day, another chapter of something to enjoy. Cause we go motivate you. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Content will go benefit you. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Subscribe, make you elevate your mind. And make sure you like, go. Drop a comment and share with your friends and family. Yeah. Estas crónicos TV. Look for we get. Estas crónicos TV. Look for we get. We entertain and bring you laughter from the comfort of your home. Another day, another chapter of something to enjoy. Estas crónicos TV. Look for we get. Estas crónicos TV. Look for we get. We entertain and bring you laughter from the comfort of your home. Another day, another chapter of something to enjoy. Share you go like them, oh yeah, I go like them, oh yeah. Share you go comment, oh yeah, my father comment, oh yeah. Share you go subscribe, oh, and make sure you like, oh. Drop a comment and share with your friends and family. Estas crónicos TV. Look for we get up. Estas crónicos TV. Look for we get up. We entertain and bring you laughter from the comfort of your home. Another day, another chapter of something to enjoy. Estas crónicos TV. Look for we get up. Estas
of the ship, and it was so fun. Mommy Fechi enjoyed herself. We enjoyed ourselves, and now we're about to say bye bye to her. But this is not the end of the vlog. Keep watching.
Yes,
We're about to say bye bye to her, but it's not our final bye bye.
Yes.
We'll revisit over and over and over again.
That's right.
By God's grace.
That's right.
So make sure you like the video
Yes.
and check out our channel. Go and check out our own version of the vlog.
That's
You are
right.
going to love it.
Yes.
You will love it. Bye. And that's Daddy and my son. So keep watching, guys.